Another beautiful day in Nambung. Oh, the place to be.
Welcome back, folks. Finally, Jake and I have scored a weekend getaway north of Perth. Where are we, mate?
A very small town called Nambung, and it's exactly what we wanted. Whilst we're in Nambung, we are filming season 2 of the Phlog, which we are so excited to be doing because this time it's not us just in front of the camera. We're gonna get some local photographers in as well.
So film and digital,
yeah,
we'll be getting on season 2, and we want to feature different styles of photography. We figured the best way to start was for us to do a little getaway, introduce the season, show you a bit of Nambung.
Yeah. So when we first arrived here, we got shown around by the 2 lovely hosts who didn't have much else to do because we're the only visitors here. It's just beautiful here. We walked around, shot some photos of some cows, some llamas, some donkeys.
So Nambung is also close to Cervantes, which is a beachside town, and Jake and I are both going to be shooting our own individual vlogs while we're here, just capturing things that pop out to us in this part of the world. If you're not from WA or Australia, we're going to try and show you what it looks like out here.
Give you an insight to the essence of the Australian outback.
With these new little X100fs, and then on a couple of different vlogs as well. So,
beautiful camera.
Enjoy.
Let's go.
I'm over 3 time zones away, trying not to go crazy. Feels like I got all the answers I need, but ain't nothing gonna save me. We're in over our heads, we're not giving up yet. We need resurrection. Realizing you and me, well, we're not so different. We both know we need to settle down. We've been running for a whole lives, trying to make our wrongs right. You and me aren't so different after all. Yeah, yeah. And you and me aren't so different.
There we have it, folks. That's a wrap on the intro to series 2 of our vlog. The first vlog we've shot in WA.
And it's been great. Shot for a couple of days in Nambung as well as Cervantes. Both so unique to what we're used to shooting, which I think is great to get out of your comfort zone. What was your favourite shots, mate?
Taking photos of each other was really fun, and asking Jake whilst he was skating in Cervantes to lay underneath the basketball ring within a shadow. That was something different. We were both trying to shoot different angles and framing to how we usually would. So I was really happy with those portraits, and also a couple that I got in this area when we were doing a bit of film content for a winery based over east.
Just yeah, and shooting the animals I love doing, especially the donkeys, because the donkeys were coming up quite close to the camera.
Yeah, I love that shot that you captured of the donkey in the middle of the frame with the V in the hay.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then it's like the opposite shape with the ears. It's been awesome to come out to a farm stay and have some different subjects to shoot.
Definitely.
Did you find anything challenging around here?
The light and the wind. It's just a struggle to shoot in those conditions because obviously your subject's either going to be in direct sunlight or just a complete shadow.
If you're trying to go manual, it can be tricky at times, and you do miss a shot.
Definitely.
Because of either focus or your exposure. Cool, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the stills. Jake and I are planning on possibly doing a video which dives a little bit deeper into how we set these guys up. So if you are interested in buying one, or you've got one and you would like to know how we're shooting with them, just let us know and we'll get onto that a bit sooner. But next up, probably get some other photographers on the series, so they could be hosting the show.
Imagine.
No pressure, guys.
Not seeing your boys.